Some robots were built to serve. Some were built to amaze. But today, you're about to meet a robot designed to redefine what it means to exist. This is Figure 03, the third generation model from Figure AI. It doesn't speak, it doesn't smile, it doesn't ask for permission. But when it moves, the world pays attention. First, curiosity. Figure 03 wasn't built for simple tasks. It was engineered to replicate human movement with surgical precision. With tactile sensors that detect minimal force and cameras embedded in its palms, it performs actions like walking, turning, and manipulating objects with fluidity. Second, curiosity. Figure 03 is already being tested in real-world environments. Its predecessor, Figure 02, worked for months on a BMW factory floor. The new model has been upgraded for both industrial and domestic use, featuring safe materials and wireless charging through its feet. Third, curiosity. It doesn't just follow commands. It responds to its surroundings. Thanks to the Helix system, an AI that integrates vision, language, and action, Figure 03 interprets space and makes decisions in real time. Fourth, curiosity. Figure 03 wasn't built to impress engineers. It was built to operate where humans can't. With depth sensors, high frame rate cameras, and torque-optimized joints, it performs in tight and complex environments. Fifth, curiosity. It has no face. But it has presence. Its minimalist design and stable posture convey confidence and functionality, without needing to look human. Sixth, curiosity. Figure 03 doesn't rely on predictable environments. It adapts. It bends, rises, and adjusts its center of gravity, like it's trained with invisible athletes. Seventh, curiosity. It doesn't want to be remembered. It wants to be indispensable. Designed for repetitive and complex tasks, it can operate for hours without human intervention. Eighth, curiosity. Figure 03 represents the kind of robot that can replace you in physical and operational tasks. With continuous learning and seamless integration into commercial settings, it's more than an assistant, it's a workforce. Ninth, curiosity. Figure 03 isn't just a tool. It's functional presence with purpose. It was designed for scalable deployment, using injection-molded components and streamlined production. 10th, curiosity. It won't arrive at your company 5 years from now. It's already ready. The Bot Q factory has begun production, with a goal of 100,000 units over the next 4 years. This is exactly where the conversation shifts. Because after learning these 10 curiosities, the real question isn't, what does it do? It's, what does it represent? Figure 03 is not just a machine. It's a symbol of a new era, where robots don't need to look human to be useful, and don't need to be friendly to be indispensable. But let's be honest, this robot is impressive, yes. But it also raises serious questions that can't be ignored. What truly impressed me? Natural and precise movements. It's like it studied human anatomy with a surgeon. AI integrated with spatial awareness. It doesn't just see, it understands the environment. Functional and safe design. No face, no distractions, just presence. Already in production, it's not a concept, it's reality. But there are also points that deserve criticism. Lack of facial expression may make empathy and social acceptance difficult. A robot that doesn't smile can seem cold, even if it's efficient. Limited autonomy. It still depends on controlled environments and well-defined tasks. Replacement of human roles. This raises debates about employment, ethics, and the role of humans in the future of work. Lack of emotional transparency. It executes, but doesn't communicate intent. That can cause discomfort and prolonged interactions. And now, I want to hear from you. Would you trust a robot like this in your workplace? Do you think it represents a threat, or an opportunity? Do you believe robots need to look human to be accepted? Or does efficiency matter more than appearance? Comment below. I see beyond the machine. And share your thoughts on this new chapter of artificial intelligence. Because the world is starting to understand. Not every robot was made to look human. Some were made to do what no human ever could.